Key to business success.
Tenacity. Like never quitting.
Headed to the top, they ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
So let's turn it around now, because you know what? You did rapid fire with me. I'm going to do rapid fire with you. That threw me all the way off. So I'm now curious as to like what you think. So
all right, here we go.
The first things that you think when I say these words.
Okay.
Virginia.
Oh man. Home. I'll leave it there. Home.
Entrepreneurship.
Mandatory if you come from nothing.
Let's leave a pause for that. Let's leave a pause. And and I don't even think you have to come from, I mean, I didn't come from a lot. I had what I needed, but I think entrepreneurship is so important. And especially if you come from nothing, anybody can do this, especially live in this country.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Which another, the next one, the American dream.
Okay, you got me back.
I'm getting you back.
The American dream is so many things. Good gracious. I guess it depends on what you define the American dream as, right? So I guess put it this capitalism. Capitalism, learn it, understand it, and master it. Don't complain about it. Just figure out how you can win in that game. And if you want to change it later, change it after you get rich.
Absolutely. I agree. This is the greatest country for capitalism. Okay. So we need to take advantage.
Right.
I sure do. I'm trying to make as much money as I possibly can on this earth.
Right.
We can try.
You know what I mean? Especially if you got good intentions. I mean,
right. We have the opportunity. So Facebook or Instagram?
Neither. I hate them both. Calculated clean, my app. All right. If I had to pick one though, Instagram. I'll go Instagram. It's less invasive, and the people I follow, when I do follow people, it's nothing but motivation I see up there anyway. Nice.
So what is your favorite hobby?
I already told you that. Favorite hobby is literally drinking beer, playing music, two-stepping in the house by myself, or I get to freestyling after a while if you really get me chilling, and then or playing NBA 2K. That's about it.
You can freestyle?
Oh, don't get me started.
Oh my God, we gotta go to Jacksonville. That's where you're gonna have your conference, and somebody make him freestyle, please.
We definitely.
Key to business success.
Tenacity. Like never quitting. And I use that word with no pun intended. Shout out to Miss Johnson, because I know that's the name of her company, but that's just it. That's a perfect word. I love that word. It's tenacity. Like never ever quit, no matter what. That's it.
That's important.
Yeah.
I love that. Your favorite movie?
Don't have one. If I had to think of one right now, because I don't watch a lot of TV, but every now and then I will. Maybe The Founder. The McDonald's movie about Ray Kroc. So maybe that one right now. I'll probably change my mind. It used to always be Paid in Full. That was always one, but now I'm to a point where I'm kind of over the whole drug dealing, right, the rich stuff. So
that's funny that you say that, because that was going to be my second one when you asked me last time.
For real?
Yeah, because I love business, and I don't really watch movies, but I love like a true story, documentary, and when you come from nothing or you're just a creative person. So I like that you said that, because that's kind of like my number two.
That's what's up.
I love that one. Favorite book?
Favorite book? Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco.
Never heard of that one.
That is you might not need it now, but because you already got the mindset. But I'm telling you, that one basically, it'll show you. Basically, it basically gave me the framework of get rich in 10 years because 10 years is quick. You know what I mean? Like people, you got the old term people that want to invest, and then be a millionaire when you turn 55 or 65 or however old. And it's like, no, his book is no, get rich quick, but just don't understand that quick is not 6 months to a year. Quick is 10 years.
Right.
You know what I mean? So go from 0 to, 20 million in 10 years. And I guarantee you'll be just as happy if, as somebody that got rich quick in 6 months. You know what I mean? Because that don't even exist anyway.
Right. So. That's amazing. Awesome. Favorite music genre?
You know what? I want to do my top 5 rappers, but it's actually not rap though. It's R&B. It's old school in particular, but I like R&B the best if I had to choose between the two.
Okay, so who are your top 5?
Okay, top 5 rappers or
no, for your music genre that you
okay.
that I mean.
So yeah. So Marvin Gaye number 1.
Really?
Number 1. After that is a toss up, so I'm just gonna say anybody in any order. So Babyface is in there for sure. There's a lot. All right, Tony Braxton, Keith Sweat, and that's only right now. Keith Sweat might drop out later. The Isley Brothers, maybe. That's I could stick with that. But I tell you what, I gotta salute to Beyonce though. Even though I'm not like I don't listen to a lot of her music, but you cannot deny the work that she put in though. Like
right.
She a beast. So we'll definitely mention shout out to her. R. Kelly too. And I'm sorry who those who don't like it, but as an artist, I appreciate his work.
I know he's a touchy subject.
Yeah.
He's a touchy subject. But there was a day before I was thinking about the word fiesta. And I was like, damn, it's too bad I can't play that.
Right. Can't even
this is a good song. I mean, as an artist, he was a good artist. And I'm just curious, anyway, who are your top 5 rappers then?
Let's do it. So I always like to do my punchline rappers. If I go punchline only, I always got 2 lists. The top 5 rappers and the top 5 punchline rappers, because I'm a punchline rapper myself. And I'll go Jadakiss, Cassidy, Black Thought, Ludacris used to be, and then Banks used to be, Lloyd Banks. But I ain't heard too much from them in so long. And I'm in my top 5.
There you go.
I'm in my top 5. So anyway, that's what I got. I'll leave it at that. You want my all-time though, or you just want the punchline? I give you the all-time top 5.
Okay, let's do, but you know what? That made me think of, do you do any freestyling on any of your YouTubes?
I got some songs on there, yeah.
You know what? That's amazing.
I got some songs on. I thought you was about to throw a beat on. I said, you won't be the first one actually. Somebody actually did that to me. And I was able to give him a little something. So I'll be ready if you try me now.
Oh man, I wish I would have known because I don't have any beats. I don't know about any of that, but I love a freestyler.
Right.
You have to think fast, and I can't think that fast. I'll tell you that much.
Right.
So I think it's just amazing to have that ability to have words and then do something with them.
Right.
I think it's amazing.
So you talking about a true freestyle. These days they say a freestyle is when you say a memorized verse over a beat. And it's like that technically ain't freestyling, but all right. You know what I mean?
You know what? I mean, you have to put this in your conference. You got to do like a speech and a sort of a freestyle. I mean, you have to. You
tempting me now.
Oh my goodness, that would be so cool if you just went up there and did a freestyle. I mean, everybody would be so thrilled. That would be so cool. Just an idea.
I might consider that.
That's just an idea.
Right.
And finally, how can we follow your journey?
Yep. So AJ Simmons on YouTube. Definitely, YouTube is the central headquarters of everything. So definitely go to my AJ Simmons YouTube channel. AJ Simmons online on Instagram, and www.cleanbiznetwork.com. That's my 3 platforms. So appreciate everybody for watching.
Thank you everybody for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow Clean Biz Network on YouTube and follow Mila the Housekeeper as well. Thank you, AJ, for being here. This is my first episode. I'm so excited that, you did this with me and, you kind of baking on me. So I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Mila. I appreciate it. I had a great time. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.